Hello and welcome. This is week 5. I'm recording this on Wednesday, June 21st, first day of summer, also known as the summer solstice, which is the longest day of the year. By that I mean the longest amount of sunlight in the northern hemisphere, anyway. Um, we are in week 6, atomic physics. If you look at the banner, I tried to capture some essentials about the atom, as well as some of the people who played a pivotal role in the development of our modern idea of the atom. So some of them are pretty faint, but on the far left it's just almost a silhouette. But it's J.J. Thomson. He's the one who they say discovered the electron. He measured the ratio of the charge to mass ratio of the electron. On the far right, also kind of very difficult to see, but is a silhouette of Robert Millikan. He's the person who measured the charge, in terms of our standard units in coulombs of electron. And once you know the charge of an electron, and Thomson gave us the charge to mass ratio, then you just figure out what the mass is, right? If you know the ratio, if you know charge divided by mass, and then someone tells you what the charge is, then you know what the mass is by simple calculation. Here on the left, closer to the center, is Wolfgang Pauli. He's the person he did many things. But in terms of the atom, it's the Pauli exclusion principle, which is a basic idea in quantum mechanics that you read about. And that determines a lot about the structure of the electron, how electrons fill their shells. And then on the right, towards the center here, is perhaps the biggest name in atomic physics, Niels Bohr. So he's the first one to kind of put forward this model of a nucleus surrounded by electrons in distinct orbitals, and transitions between orbitals can account for absorption of light or emission of light. And his model described many things. At first, the simplest model, the model of hydrogen, described the hydrogen spectrum very accurately. Okay, so atomic physics, you know how it goes, right? Interactive overview. Try to respond to this by Thursday. Let me know how you feel about how things are going. And if you're kind of concerned about something, let me know why, what it is that you're concerned about. The discussion topic response is due this Thursday, so I'm recording this on Wednesday the 21st. So by midnight, the 22nd Phoenix time, you should have responded to this. You have a reading review quiz. If you watch any of my or attend my live meetings, you know that I work through example problems that you should find very helpful for the quiz. So that brings to mind the meeting I scheduled for this coming Friday. It's 5 o'clock Phoenix time. Just click on it before the meeting begins, and it will tell you what time it begins in your time zone. Okay. And there's a lot more I could say, but I don't want to make these short video announcements turn into long video announcements. So that's it for now, and maybe I'll see some of you on Friday.